Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw imposter killing a victim with a knife from Among Us. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna pick a thick black pen and I'm gonna start with drawing the visor of the imposter with a curved line across right there. Semicircle turn diagonally down on the right side and semicircle turn downwards, turn it back to the left at this lower point, turn it back upwards with a semicircle turn and turn it back towards the upper corner right there. Now above the visor, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line to the left, turn it back downwards on the left side of the head, extend it all the way down to his legs, and at the base of his legs I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the right, turn it upwards, and a curved line to the right and to the right leg. Below that curved line in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, curved line across to the right, and turn it back upwards on the right side, all the way to the lower point of the visor. On his back, I'm gonna draw his backpack with a line across to the left, semicircle turn downwards, and turn it back to the right at this lower point. On top of his head, I'm gonna draw two lines upwards, and from the ending point on the right, a diagonal curved line upwards, sharp turn back downwards on the left with a diagonal curved line to the middle point, and mirror that same shape of the leaf on the left side right there. For the victim, I'm gonna draw his visor with a tilted oval shape at that corner right there, and above that visor I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the left and slightly downwards, turn it upwards on the left corner, a circular shape to the right and turn it upwards, curved line diagonally up and to the left, sharp turn back downwards on the left corner and to the base of the horn. Above the horn on the right corner, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line across to the right, turn it diagonally down on the right side right there. For the right side of the horn, I'm gonna copy the same shape right there, and below the visor on the right, curved line downwards, turn it diagonally to the left and turn it downwards. Semicircle turn at the base of the leg to the left, turn it upwards, curved line across to the left at that corner, turn it downwards, and curved line across to the left. Turn it back upwards at that point, and diagonal turn to the base of the helmet on the left. On the left side, I'm gonna draw his backpack with a line out to the left, turn it downwards, turn it back to the right at this lower point. For the knife above his head, I'm gonna draw a line diagonally up and to the left, another line across horizontally diagonal to the left and slightly downwards, sharp turn back up and sharp turn back diagonally down to that point. Below that shape on the right, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line across back to the helmet right there. Above, I'm gonna draw the handle of the knife with an arch curved line, turn it back downwards on the right side right there. For the pattern of the helmet, I'm gonna use a thinner pen and draw a curved line across at this lower point, and in the middle of that curved line I'm gonna draw off center to curve line upwards. Now I'm gonna pick a light blue color and draw a long oval shape inside of the imposter's visor right there. And from the left side of the visor, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line downwards and to the right. Semicircle turn to the right there. I'm gonna fill that space with light blue color. I'm gonna take the same light blue color and draw a long oval shape inside of the victim's visor right there. And from the left corner, a curve line across, turn it diagonally upwards to the right. Fill the upper half of the visor with light blue color. For the lower half of the visor, I'm gonna use a slightly darker light blue color and fill that in. I'm gonna do the same thing for the imposter's visor right there. Now for the leaf above the imposter's head, I'm gonna draw a line in the middle point and another one for the left side, and along that line I'm gonna draw a diagonal line out to the side of the leaves right there. And I'm gonna use a lighter green color and fill in the leaf for the knife above the victim's head. I'm gonna use a gray color and fill that in. And below the handle, I'm gonna draw a light gray line across right there, and I'm gonna fill the upper half with light gray color. In the middle point of the horn, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curve line with light gray color, and I'm gonna fill in the lower half of the horn with light gray color. I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side right here. Now for the helmet, I'm gonna fill the side with a darker brown color right there. And for the rest, I'm gonna use a lighter brown color. Now for the victim's color, I'm gonna use orange, and I'm gonna take the point on the left corner of the helmet and draw a curve line downwards. Turn it slightly to the left, semicircle turn to the right at this lower point, and semicircle turn back upwards on the right corner. Fill the upper half with light orange color. I'm gonna use the same light orange color and draw a line across the backpack at the upper point right there, and fill the upper half with light orange color. I'm gonna color the remaining parts of the victim with burnt orange color at this lower point. For the imposter color, I'm gonna use purple, and I'm gonna take a point on the left side of his head and draw a diagonal curve line downwards and slightly to the right. Semicircle turn at that corner across to the right, and semicircle turn back upwards on the right side. Fill in the upper half with light purple color. I'm gonna use the same purple color and draw a line across at the upper point of his backpack and fill the upper half with that color. I'm gonna fill in the lower half of the imposter with darker purple color. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!